Yeah! What's good, YouTube? And I'm back with another review. Today we are reviewing the Hyperx Quadcast microphone. I currently have the blue snowball. It's not that good, but it's decent. It was a starter, but I bought the Hyperx Quadcast. Shout out to my boy Viking, OSG Viking. Yeah, he told me to buy this. He has it. It works perfectly. Been by his crib and I used the microphone. It was amazing, so I was like, oh yeah, why not? Let me copy. I needed an upgrade anyways. How you open this shit?
So, oh my knife is sharp.
I bought it off Amazon for like, oh, it's heavy. $100 and something. It comes in this. Oh, this looks nice. So, as it says on the box, it works with PC, PS4 Pro, and Mac. It doesn't say work with Xbox or Switch or anything like that. It works with TeamSpeak, Discord, Skype, Mumble, Open Software, OBS, I should say, and XSplit, USB 2mm, and it comes with a mount adapter. Standalone audio microphone. So it opens like this.
Oh my god! Wow!
Comes with pamphlets. Put you a little closer. Shows their brands, what they got, and you know, headset, all kind of little display shit. Quick start guide. We don't need this. We don't read instructions, guys. Okay, that's how it comes in the box. It comes whole. I thought I would have to assemble it or something. Oh, it's not heavy. It's actually light. Out of here. Let me use the knife so y'all can hear it. It's metal. It is like aluminum, metal finish to it. Standalone. Comes with braided cable. And this cable is long. Yes, sir. Comes with a long braided cable. And what else is in the box? Oh, this to connect it to the boom arm. So if you have a boom arm like me, you can connect it to it instead of letting it stand on the table like this. So a lot of people have it stand on the table like this. My boy has it stand on the table like this. It's cool standing on the table, but I already got a boom arm. It just did. Okay, so down here is where you control the volume of the microphone. Down here and here is where you mute it. You don't have to tap it like this. It's very sensitive. All you gotta do is touch it. So I'm gonna plug it in, and I'm gonna show y'all how it works. And at the back is, it's not focusing. Focus up. And there we go. Okay, so here is where you determine where you want the surround sound, like to pick up everything around the microphone, or what direction you want the microphone to pick up the sound from. So that is very cool. Let me plug it in, set it up, and show y'all what's good. It's muted. How you unmute it, you just slightly tap it. You don't have to hit it, you just tap it. And it's on. This means you can hear my voice, you can hear how I talk, and all that. I think I might turn the light on so y'all can see it in the dark. You gotta do slowly, gently tap. Mute, unmute, where you want the mic, where you want the sound to come from. So, without further ado, and this is how you turn it up and turn it down. So that is it for today's review, guys. It is a great mic. I'll leave the link down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment if y'all new to the channel. Subscribe. Here, I am out. Peace.
Bye. Have a great time.